A team of the Goa Biodiversity Board inspected the site on the Wagatoy Plateau where the Sunburn Festival was hosted in the late 2013 following complaints of an Anjuna-based NGO alleging tree and shrub felling on the plateau. The NGO has claimed that irreparable environmental damage is being caused to the plateau due to commercial interests which will affect the water table in the village.
Yeah, on 27/12, I had gone to Panjim to Minister of Forest office and handed over a memorandum from concerned citizens of Goa, of our village, that we do not want sunburns here. But to our horror, we found that every department, wherever we were going, the top heads used to had gone missing. And till date, Biodiversity Board has not taken any action on my memorandum along with the group. What we are saying is we don't mind a program taking place here, but this wanton destruction of trees, this natural water flow being blocked and all the top alluvial soil being destroyed, it is going to affect our village. Because here I have got this from the Biodiversity Board, water is life, save water. And in that program, there was one scientist from NIO who had given a talks on plateau lands. He said that each and every shrub is important on a plateau because they help in retention of water into the groundwater, and this then gets flown to the wells of the village. Here the government of Goa is unable to provide us proper water supply, and now by having this program here, they are even destroying the water potential what is there in this village.
Dr. Joe D'Souza, a member of the Goa Biodiversity Board who was a part of the team, indicated that trees and shrubs were seen cut and opined that this would cause future erosion and affect the plateau's water retention capacity.
Inspected the Sunburn site where Sunburn Festival has taken place, and what has happened is that wherever we go, there have been rampant cutting of trees, forest trees. The water channel has been affected. Erosion will take place. The grazeland which is there, grazing land, is going to be erosion. No grass, no this one will be there, and water holding capacity of the ground will be lost. For small sum of money which this panchayat and all the community is getting, they are wasting. Social cost of this will be high. Ultimately, it appears that the interest is only to convert the grassland, forest land, agricultural land into for commercial use.
The team will submit its report to the Biodiversity Board for further action, it was indicated.